Great, fantastic. Now, when we are talking about contact, you were associated with BNI as well, right? So, what was BNI's role? Maybe can you just elaborate in small?
Oh, BNI was one of the best things to happen in life. There are two organizations in my life which has transformed the way I am growing in my life. One is BNI, Business Network International, and there is another organization which is known as Excel Foundation, Extraordinary Lives. These two organizations transformed my life. BNI was fantastic, especially your 50-seconder presentation in 50 seconds, the one-to-one, the 10-minute presentation. These are all mind-blowing concepts. Bio sheets. One principle of my life is whatever is good should be spread. So if I come across something which is nice, I will immediately inform it to all my circles. In fact, when I was in BNI, I have got a lawyer who will witness this, Anita Bafna. In fact, when I was in BNI, I broke all records of bringing the maximum visitors ever in the entire BNI fraternity all across the world. That was purely because I wanted all of them to see what they are missing in life.
Absolutely.
And many of them joined. So this is a great learning. What an MBA can do in 2 years, BNI can do it in 2 months. So it was fantastic. That is what I learned from BNI on how to sell better, how to connect better, how to handle your visiting cards, how to handle your presentations. And what I learned from Extraordinary Lives Excel is how to be a social entrepreneur. Suppose you are having a life of giving, how to structure it. It was wonderful. There are some philosophies which I learnt in Excel, which again I shared with all my friends. That what is wealth? Wealth is all that remains with you after all your money dries up. That is why an Amitabh Bachchan can lose all his money 100 times in a lifetime and still become rich.
Absolutely.
Because wealth is all that remains with you after you lose all your money. Because you still have your experience, you still have your knowledge, and you still have your contacts. With these three things, you can still create the wealth back. So you need to be wealthy rather than being rich.
Correct. So maybe just by standing in the market, he can create money.
100%. And like Donald Trump once said, that the beggar on the street was richer than I am. Because he was minus 2,000 crores or something once upon a time. So the beggar on the street was richer than Donald Trump, who was tipped to be one of the richest people in the world. Amitabh Bachchan's house was supposed to get auctioned, and he brought back all the wealth. In fact, in the second innings of his life, he made 100 times more money than what he made in his first innings of life. So that is because he was not only rich, but he was wealthy. So that is one philosophy I learned there. Second philosophy that I learned was that opportunities are like buses. There is always the next one coming. The third philosophy I learned there was that never try to, catch an opportunity. Opportunities are like butterflies. If you stand with a butterfly net trying to catch opportunities, your energy will be wasted in running behind those opportunities. Instead of that, you grow a beautiful garden, grow beautiful flowers in that. You can later sell them to Florista. But you have a beautiful garden, have beautiful flowers in them, and the butterflies in the form of opportunities will come on their own and sit on your garden. So the opportunities will come walking to you. So create a garden around you in such a way. If you are cooperative, if you are sharing your opportunities, if you are sharing your knowledge, if you are sharing your efforts with the people around you, your network will become so strong that you don't have to step out of your house to create opportunities. Opportunities will come walking to you. We created an organization in my house called Dimensions. Academically speaking, I am a Christian on paper because my father is a Christian. So the first meeting of these Dimensions took place in my house, and that was organized by a very great gentleman sitting here, Mr. Freddy Mendonça. You will not believe the power of networking. The first meeting of 32 Christian businessmen took place in the hall of my house, and after that we created this forum where we imitated BNI. And in the first meeting, while having idli, I met a friend of mine who gave me a business of 12.5 crores. Can you believe that? So the opportunity comes walking to you when you're open with your arms to cooperate and to coordinate. And if you can invest in your time for the people, that first opportunity gave me 12.5 crores. And that one contact, with that one contact, I must have done business worth 50 crores plus. That is just, I'm just giving one such example. There are 500 such examples. There is another friend of mine sitting in here. I want to give you live examples. There is another friend of mine sitting here. His name is Ralph Pereira, Jemson Engineering. Very successful company. Exports 92% of their production to all the developed countries of the world. Majority exports to the United States. A very successful Christian entrepreneur. His wife was my classmate. He stays with a common compound with my complex. And I didn't meet, and he was from my same school. I didn't meet him for almost 20 years. We met because of the meetings that Freddie Mendonca organizes for Dimensions. We met there. And today we are doing projects worth 100 crores. So this is what networking can do. This is what the concepts like BNI and Excel can do for people.
Correct.
And extraordinary lives, I have got contacts in the whole world. I have got friends. We meet once in alternate years. We meet in different countries. We meet in Bali, Hong Kong, Indonesia. Just last 4 months back, we went on a learning tour on a cruise liner. We were 58 people from 11 countries. And we met on a cruise liner where we shared knowledge, where we shared international opportunities. And we had a wonderful time. So these extraordinary lives gave me colleagues in the best countries of the world. So movements in these countries, since I'm into technology business, I also do international business. It really multiplied for me multifold and very quickly.
Correct.
So BNI, organizations like BNI, organizations like Excel have done dramatic changes in my life.
Right.
Dramatic.
Yeah, absolutely.